Right, next stage. This is brilliant, this stuff. Soda crystals. So you just want to get a jug, cut through grease really well. So I'm just going to pour some, that's probably sufficient. Then boil the kettle, some warmish water you need in there. I've got a toothbrush there, various other brushes. That one, you can even use some little paint scrape or anything like that to get in there. Or I say, rather than caustic soda, if you haven't got that, get yourself some decent washing up liquid, some high strength stuff. Same again, it's always better with nice hot water so it cuts through the grease. Go, next stage, nice hot caustic soda mix, a washing up liquid, watch. And this, all of this, the seals, you're gonna have to get rid of all that. See how that cuts through that? I mean, I've got all other various tools here, old like butter knife, you can scrape. See that? If it's a bit tough to get off, you can scrape the stuff off there, like that. These ones, look. I mean, you're going to have to give it a real good clean. All the way around the seal. Particular attention to this corner where the hinge is, because that's where it would have been leaking through. Also at the back. See along here, you'll feel a seal there, so same again. There. Well, it doesn't take long. If you've got a good strong mix here, this cuts through. Look how that cuts through that grease. Brilliant stuff. But it's better hot than cold, works really well. Down the seal there. I say it's one of them jobs that no one really does till things go wrong. I mean, anything that can get into the nook and crannies. I've even got an old paintbrush, and then you can get right into the grooves there. Well, it's looking really lovely and clean now, so I'm pleased with that. One last thing, because I cleared all the gunge off the hinges and thing in the video, so I'm just going to spray some WD-40 type spray, similar equivalent, just around the hinges there. That's it. Great stuff.